slime sand. I mean, who doesn't like to play with it? It's so fun, and you can make your own at home too. So let's get started, but first I'll tell you the ingredients. We're going to need a lot of sand, some bowls for mixing, some paint, 1/4 teaspoon, glue, and contact lens liquid. Let's get started. So first we put some glue in. Ooh, that's a lot. Secondly, we'll add some acrylic paint or food colouring. My sister took this pinkish colour and I took shiny gold. It's metallic, so let's add it in. Ooh, shiny. Let's mix it. Now we'll add some magic in. Contact lens liquid or borax. Let's go. That might be enough. Now I'm gonna mix it while my sister does. Put it in. Ooh, mine is already turning out good. It's turning out good. Well, now it looks a bit slimy. We're going to add some sand. Go, Ishi. Put sand in here. I want some more sand. Daddy, miss it? My sand is pink now. Oh, that's a bit too much sand. I'm doing my hands. I'm doing my hands, Mama. Whoa. Kind of looks the same as normal sand, but might turn a bit shimmery in the last result. Mine is shiny and a bit more lighter. Whoa! Mine is so lucky. Look at it. It looks like the same sand we put in, but it's like lighter and more shimmery. And my sister is really pink. Guys, my slime and my sister's is almost the same to the ones in the show. It's so cool! Oh, This is one of my favorite things to do. Just squeeze all that in. Well guys, this is the slime we made at home. And now we're going to compare the slime in the shop. Wow! I got this. So guys, this is the one in the shop. It's not as stretchy as the one we made at home. That's too stretchy. Let's make a castle out of both of our slimes we made at home. Punch it down. Now my sisters. I'm breaking the castle! That was a stretchy castle. Whoa. Multicolor. Okay guys, I hope you like making kinetic slime sand. It's really simple. So I hope you make it at home too. Bye. Bye. Remember, just remember, like and subscribe.